Hello, everyone. Welcome to Yajentio Training Academy. Are you interested in data science but confused about where to start? Do you want to learn how companies use data to make smart business decisions? Then this video is for you. Today, we're introducing our Data Science Fresher Package, a complete data science and analytics bootcamp designed to make you a full-stack data scientist. What is data science? Data science is the process of collecting and cleaning data, analyzing data to find patterns, visualizing insights, building machine learning models, turning data into business decisions. Data science is one of the most in-demand and high-paying careers today. Our Data Science Fresher Package is a 16-week industry-focused bootcamp that covers everything from basics to advanced concepts. Course duration, 16 weeks. Course fee, 40,000 rupees. Certification, industry recognized. This course is perfect for freshers and beginners who want strong fundamentals and real-world experience. What you will learn. In this course, you will learn statistics and data fundamentals, data analysis using Python and Pandas, data cleaning and pre-processing, data visualization using Matplotlib and Seaborn, machine learning algorithms, real-world business problem-solving, end-to-end data science projects. You'll move from raw data to actionable insights step by step. Tools and technologies covered. You'll get hands-on experience with Python, Jupyter Notebook, Pandas and NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, machine learning libraries. These are the same tools used by data scientists in top companies. Projects and practical training. 8+ real-time projects, data analysis and visualization projects, machine learning use case projects, and business-focused case studies. This hands-on approach helps you build a strong portfolio. Who should join this course? This course is ideal for students and freshers, aspiring data scientists, working professionals, career switchers, and anyone interested in data and analytics. No prior experience required. We start from basics. Career opportunities after data science. After completing this course, you can apply for roles like data scientist, data analyst, business analyst, machine learning engineer, junior, analytics engineer. Why choose Yajentio Training Academy? Industry-oriented curriculum, expert trainers, practical hands-on learning, real-time projects, career guidance, and certification support. If you're serious about building a successful career in data science and analytics, this Data Science Fresher Package is your perfect starting point. Call us 741-860-2650, 8925-132650. Email contact@yajentiotrainingacademy.com. Like, share, and subscribe to Yajentio Training Academy for more career-focused tech content. Thank you for watching.